Branding is the perception people have about your business. It's not just your logo, colors, or tagline. It's the gut feeling someone has when they hear your name, see your ad, or land on your website. Strong branding builds trust, makes you memorable, and creates an emotional connection with your audience. Weak branding does the opposite. It confuses people, makes you look inconsistent, and can push customers toward your competitors. That's why branding is not something you take lightly. In a world where AI can spit out a dozen logo options in seconds, and services like 99 Designs promises a brand for a few $100, it's tempting to go the quick route. But those shortcuts don't give you strategy. They don't tell your story, and they certainly don't ensure consistency across every touch point. Agency professionals have built entire careers on making you look and sound great. Many have dedicated their education at institutions that focus on the creative arts. They know how to research, position, and design in a way that makes your brand impossible to ignore. Branding is personal to your business. It should reflect your values, your audience, and your long-term goals. So invest in it like your business depends on it, because it does.